Hi there folks, Elaine here with WTI. My laundry room was missing something, but not anymore. I found this machine washable laundry room rug for my laundry room and it completes my gray look. I love the color and I love the feel on my feet when I am doing my laundry and folding. It's so comfortable and it's so easy to clean. I've had it for a while and I hadn't had to wash it yet, but to vacuum it, it's easy peasy. And I really like the stitching on it. It's very durable. You can see that it's well made. And the backing is definitely great for non-slip. I love that fact, especially here in the laundry room. So spruce up your laundry room with a mat that's whimsical, cozy, and easy to clean. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.